Hi there, my name is Pastel, and today we are drawing this very cute puppy. So let's get started. So for our supplies, today I am just using paper and a crayon. And if you want to, you can pause here and I'll wait while you gather your supplies. Okay, so let's get on to the lesson. So the very first step is we are going to draw two kind of medium-sized circles side by side in the middle of our paper. These are going to be our puppy's cheeks. Then we'll draw one more circle right on top. So we have 3 circles stacked, and this is going to be the top of her head. Now see how right here in the middle, it already looks like a little triangle? Well, let's draw a triangle in there. And then we'll color it in. Now, let's give our puppy a chin. So I'm going to draw a little curved line from here to here. So I'm just going to go down and back up, and there's her little chin. So now let's give our puppy some ears, and this is my favorite part. So we're going to draw from the top of her head, we're going to draw a big wiggly shape. And you can do a big wiggly shape, you can do a little wiggly shape, whatever you feel like doing. And any way you draw these ears, they're going to look perfect because puppy ears are naturally very wiggly. All right, so we've got our puppy's face, we've got her nose, her chin, and 2 ears. So now let's give her some eyes so that she can see us. So I'm going to draw 2 little ovals right here in the top circle. And I'm going to color them in. All right, and for the very last step, let's put some spots on our puppy's ears by drawing some circles. So I'm going to draw a circle here and part of a circle up here. Maybe I'll put one right here and I'll put another part circle right there. And then we can color those in. Doesn't have to be perfect because we are just having fun together. And that is what drawing is all about. It's just making something that feels good to you. All right, and we are all done. Oh, look at our puppies. They turned out so good. Do you feel proud of your drawing? I sure hope you do because you worked really hard and I know it turned out beautiful. All right, well, until next time, thank you so much for joining me. And remember to take your creativity everywhere.